Hi everyone, today we're in Module 2 of VMath Level E. We're on Lesson 8, so please turn to page 29 and follow along and take notes. So we're going to use strip diagrams to solve addition and subtraction problems. So our vocabulary for today, the first word is variable. This is a letter or symbol to represent a number. So if we look here at the example, we can see 1 plus x equals 3. X is called a variable. An equation is a mathematical sentence that uses an equal sign. So x plus 5 equals 10. This is called an equation. So equal sign to help you remember equation, equal. So for getting started, number 1 says 21 minus 6. Well, remember when we do our problems, we want to line up vertically. So we'll do 21 minus 6. And then we can't do 1 minus 6. We got to borrow and regroup. Make that a 1. Make this an 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. And then 1 minus nothing is 1. So the answer is 15. Here we have 12 plus 5 plus 6. So again, we're going to line them up vertically. 12 plus 5 plus 6. We have 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Regroup that 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 23. Number 3 says, there are 24 cars in a parking lot. There are 6 fewer trucks than cars in the lot. How many trucks are in the parking lot? In this case, our variable x, it says let x represent. X right here is going to be the number of trucks. So we're just going to write number of trucks. And then what we're going to do is we are going to do 24 minus x. And that will equal 6 because there are 6 fewer trucks than cars. So if we have the number of cars minus the number of trucks, we're going to figure out how many, and that equals 6. We'll figure out how many trucks that is. So if we figure that out, we can do the problem like this. We can, first of all, take away 6 and see what's left. So we got to borrow from that 2, make it a 1, make that a 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 18. There are 18 trucks in the parking lot because if x equals the number of trucks, and then 18 plus 6 equals 24, or using our fact families, 24 minus 6 equals 18. That's what I was doing here, was using our fact family to help out. Okay, in this problem it says Gail has 8 butterfly stickers. She has 4 more dinosaur stickers than butterfly stickers. How many stickers does she have in all? Well, X is going to represent, look at, it's all of her stickers. So we will write X represents the total number of stickers. Okay, well, she has 8 butterfly ones, but then she has 4 more dinosaurs than butterfly. So she has 8 dinosaur, but then she has 4 more dinosaur. So we know that this is the butterfly, this is the dinosaur, but then she also has 4 more dinosaur. So she has 8 plus 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 8 is 16. And then 16 plus 4 is, that's 10, carry the 1, is 20. So X equals 20. Gail has 20 stickers in all. Owen ran on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. He ran 5 miles on Monday and 8 miles on Wednesday. He ran 19 miles in all. How many miles did he run on Friday? Well, the question is asking how many did he run on Friday, so X is going to be the number of miles he ran on Friday. So then we know that Monday he ran 5 And Wednesday he ran 8, and his total number was 19 miles was his total. So 5 plus 8 plus x, we don't know x, is going to equal 19. So now we need to figure that out. So let's use our knowledge of fact families to figure that out. So we'll do 5 plus 8 is 13. So 13 plus x equals 19. Well, what we can do is we can figure out, and we can use a fact family, and we can just subtract. So we know that 19 minus 13 is going to get us x. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So x equals 6. So Owen ran 6 miles on Friday, because if we do 5 plus 8 is 13 plus 6 equals 19. Number 5 here. Solve the problem. Jamie has 6 comic books. Gwen has 3 more comic books than Jamie. How many comic books does Gwen have? So X represents the number of, we'll just abbreviate, comic books Gwen has. Well, we don't know for sure how many Gwen has. She has X, but we know that Jamie has 6 and that Gwen has 3 more than her. So if we actually make this 6 plus 3 equals 9, then we know that Gwen has 9 comic books because she has 3 more than Jamie, and Jamie has 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. All right, so let's look through this. It says use a strip diagram to solve a problem. Kylie bought tulips. She has 8 white tulips. She has 2 fewer red tulips than white tulips. How many red tulips did Kylie buy? Well, we know she has 8 white tulips, 2 fewer red tulips than white. So we need to figure out X red tulips. So find the important information in the problem. Let X represent the unknown number. White tulips is 8. So we're going to label this. Red tulips is X, but she has 2 less than white tulips. So then we would use the diagram to write an equation. 8 minus 2 equals X. X equals 6. Kylie bought 6 red tulips. So solve the equation and find the value of X. All right, on your own, you're going to complete page 31. Make sure to show work and do the best you can. Good luck.